Once you're under the car and notice your coupler is as bad as mine, it's now time to remove it. There are two different styled 19mm bolts holding it in. The bolts with a slight indentation are reverse threaded, don't forget that, and they are tightened to the drive shaft. Be sure to put them all back in the correct order when putting them back on. You'll also notice that the coupler has spacers that protrude and fit into the transmission. Keep this in mind and it'll all be installed correctly.
Oh my gosh.
I forgot.